Good morning, guys. We are about to head out. Brooklyn's gonna turn that light off over there.
Oh, I am? Okay.
Yeah. And we're leaving our room. It's cute. Got our suitcases and our bags loaded, and we're ready to go. Yay!
Hey!
Where are we going?
Madrid first, and then Valencia.
Yeah.
Not Barcelona.
And how are we getting there?
Train.
Yay! All right, we are at the train station. We headed to Madrid, so we're waiting. Brooklyn, you ready?
No.
Excited?
Yeah, but I'm not ready now.
No. We're on our first train. We're in the comfort seats, B and C. We have lots of room. Oh yeah, good idea. Our luggage is like right behind us at the end of the car. And yeah. We have footrest. We have a tray table. We have our armrest here. We have a trash bin. Footrest. What else? Oh, and then if you want to watch the TV, there's little things to plug into. There you go. Very quick bathroom tour. This is the handicap one. Relatively clean. No towels. Traveling the plane. Brooklyn put our shit down. We also have little waiting lists, and our seats do recline. I think Brooklyn's reclining already. Yeah. Yeah. And our bags are right there behind us. Yay! And the TVs have stopped working. Okay, so we made it onto our train. It's actually a high-speed train, so it's a little nicer. It has this lovely wood. Hers is broken. Yeah, it's sad. Lovely tray table. And then it's the same kind of footrest. Has a little trash. And then what I'm charging, we have plugs, we have our armrest. Somebody's luggage is above us, and then our luggage is right there. So nice. That's what it looks like. It's very comfortable compared to the other one. This is what it feels like on the high-speed train. There's a little bit around here. Just right when I start recording. Pretty fast. It's really hard to tell, but I'm on the world's tiniest little elevator. It said 2 people max, which meant me and my suitcase. We're coming on the first elevator. I'm on here. Meeting her on the 2nd floor. Okay, we just did the automatic check-in.
Someone needs to go.
Okay. Hold on. All right. Brooklyn's gonna go.
I am?
Yeah,
Okay.
you go first. Then I'll go.
Narnia!
Goodbye.
Bye.
Have fun in the teeny tiny little elevator. Floor 7. I'll see you there.
Okay.
Okay. And there she goes.
Bye.
Bye.
Go like this.
Okay, now I press the button. There she goes. Goodbye. Let's go. You can still hear me? Nice. All right, we are...
I don't like you being that close.
Okay, I will close the window. Anyways, this is our room. The bathroom is down the hall. We have a TV, a wardrobe, a little mini
Shampoo
toy
packets.
and towels, and a lovely soft bed. So, and AC and a fan. What more can a girl ask for? All right, let's.
$1 million.
All right. On top of that, why don't we go downstairs and go find something to eat?
Oh,
No,
we just got here.
we need dinner.
Oh, we just got
Welcome to the world's tightest bathroom ever. Has a hair dryer and a heater. Guess what we found?
ice cream.
Ice cream. And look, they have their frozen ice creams come like this too. How fun. Anyways, we're having, she's making us hot dogs. Oh, the Camino de Santiago cake. It's actually kind of dry, guys.